Hey guys, how you all doing? Peter Carvell, and today I want to show you a one exercise full lower body workout. So let me quickly take you through the actual exercise and then I'll show you how to use it to structure and create your workout afterwards. Now I call this the double lunge step up, and basically you start in a normal lunge, then you will come through, go onto a step, and then bring your opposite leg through all the way to the top. Now, very important to make sure you use your hands as you go left and right. And you basically just go all the way up and then all the way back down. So there you go. It's a lot of fun, but it's extremely effective. So how would you create a workout out of this? Well, pretty straightforward. I would do 10 reps on the one side and then 10 reps on the other side. Give myself 30 seconds break, and then I'll do 4 to 5 sets like that. That should make sure your whole body, quads, hamstrings, butt, and even your calves get a great workout.